Idol, after exercise, for example, treadmill, sports like basketball, swimming, lifting weights, ilan oras bago matulog? Usually 1 to 2 hours para back to normal yung katawan natin, mag-cool down, saka tayo matulog. And then, best time mag-workout, the best time to workout is yung pasok sa schedule mo. Pwedeng bagong gising, empty stomach. Yung iba, hindi ka empty stomach. So, pag gising, kakain, workout. Or dahil sobrang hectic na schedule, OFW, or sobrang busy, blessed with work, kumaisingit natin. Pero ang mahalaga, yung kaya natin. Importante yung tulog na wag bumaba sana na 7 hours, sana 8 hours. Yung iba kaya 6. So, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako. Kung gusto nyo lang naman pumayat, calorie deficit, control lang sa kain, bawas lang sa kain. Yun lang yun. And then kung gusto magka-muscle, kahit sana twice a week, push up ka lang, bodyweight squats, o konting weights, ganun lang. Resistance training. Enjoy! Happy healthy guys! God bless!